Quin esdeveniment mundial seria el millor per acabar d'imposar una dictadura global?
If Troy falls, I control the Aegean. Hector commands.
De tota la vida, l'ésser humà ha volgut dominar l'ésser humà.
Genie, for my first wish, I wish to be Sultan of Agrabah.
What? As you wish, Master.
Genie, I wish to become the most powerful sorcerer there is. Genie, for my final wish, I wish to become the most powerful being in the universe. More powerful than you.
Però per a que un ésser humà mane sobre un altre, aquest segon ha de reduir la seva llibertat d'elecció.
Everything else these days, no reason why we shouldn't be charged for patriotism. What's your fee?
My election as first consul, command of all the legions of Italy, and the abolition of senatorial authority over the courts.
Dictatorship.
Order.
Fiquem-nos en la hipòtesi que s'està instal·lant una dictadura global a nivell mundial amb col·laboració de governs. Han hagut dos esdeveniments que sembla que han portat a un control de l'individu total. La segona meitat del segle XX portà un canvi de paradigma en el tractament de la informació.
We all live in the age of information. Every trace of our existence is computerized. Everything about us is encoded somewhere on a complex network of information.
We can make of reality what we choose.
Tot acabà informatitzat.
Private banks are creating what we call money out of fresh, bloody air and then charging us interest on it. And it works like this. If you go into a bank and you borrow $50,000, what does the bank do? Does it move precious metal anywhere? I mean, what does it do? What it does is it types into your account $50,000. And from that moment, you start paying interest on $50,000 that has never, does not, and will never exist. Fresh air, theoretical money called credit.
Potser David Icke ho simplifica molt, però la realitat és que quan demanem un préstec no veiem diners físics, veiem xifres. I clar, així, qui tracta la informació és qui domina.
Now, they're manipulating her world.
But it's Mark's.
They've screwed with my information and my fingerprints.
I don't understand. Why me?
Infiltrating her life and erasing her identity.
I have been informed in visions that there is a place darker than any prison, hotter than any flame of human fire, where souls of unrepentant criminal sinners like yourselves, I say like yourselves, scream in endless and unendurable agony.
Les religions juguen amb la por de l'individu per evitar que facin actes dolents. Hitler arriba al poder emprant l'estratègia de la por. Por a un col·lectiu minoritari, els jueus i jueves. Hermann Göring ho reconegué als juís de Nuremberg. A l'any 2001, un atac força mediàtic a les Torres Bessones de Nova York feu que, emprant la por generalitzada a un grup terrorista islàmic, la nostra privacitat com a individus es retallés en favor de la seguretat del col·lectiu.
Predators. They may be strong and loud, but prey outnumber predators 10 to 1. Think of it. 90% of the population united against a common enemy will be unstoppable.
What are you going to do? Kill me?
Of course not. He is.
No!
Gosh, think of the headline. Hero cop killed by savage fox.
So that's it. Prey fears Predator and you stay in power?
Yeah, pretty much.
It won't work.
Fear always works. And I'll dart every Predator in Zootopia to keep it that way.
I hadn't counted on this, but I must say you worked out beautifully. People are terrified of you.
What's new? People have always been terrified of me.
Yes, but this time they're really intimidated. Now, I'll have carte blanche to create the perfect society. My society.
What we need right now is a clear message to the people of this country. This message must be read in every newspaper, heard on every radio, seen on every television. This message must resound throughout the entire interlink. I want this country to realize that we stand on the edge of oblivion. I want every man, woman, and child to understand how close we are to chaos. I want everyone to remember why they need us. In a former United States.
Si s'estiguessin posant una mena de superdictadura mundial, quin esdeveniment li vindria perfecte al poder per retallar drets i llibertats a l'individu?
Benvinguts a la 6ª onada. Benvinguts a Omicron. Omicron és un nou concepte de coronavirus, amb més cobertura mundial. Mai un coronavirus havia tingut tanta taxa de contagi, fins a 2 vegades més que la nostra versió anterior, la Delta. Hem eliminat funcions que ja han quedat obsoletes.
Hi ha qui sí que ho veu.
Ça bouge. Voilà, les petits se poser. Allez, allez, ça bouge les amis, ça pète. Première à Luxembourg. Voilà, marché de Noël. Ça pas pour la queue barrière. En force sur le marché de Noël, les amis.
Bestia que tenía 10 cuernos y 7 cabezas, y en sus cuernos 10 diademas, y en sus cabezas signos blasfemos. La bestia